My name is Monique Statina. I'm here at Models Garden. Here at Models Garden, we teach people and families how to start their very own garden. That's right. It doesn't matter if you live in a small space such as an apartment, condo, duplex, or small home. Don't worry, we mastered container growing for balconies, terraces, and sunlight areas. We even specialize in indoor gardening. With more and more GMOs being found in our food shortages, and natural disasters, it's important for us to practice growing our own. Are you having any health issues with your body? Then come and learn the things you can eat to heal and sustain the healing of your body naturally. Sign up now and join our workshop. And if you're ready to dive right in, then sign up for our How to Start Your Own Garden course.